Good day, everyone. Welcome to our lesson in science. Today, we're going to study all about landforms. Do you know what are landforms? Landforms are the different shapes in the surface of the land. There are types of landforms. It can be mountains, hills, valleys, desert, plains, or plateaus. We're going to discuss all about the landforms one by one. First one is a mountain. Mountain, this is the highest landform. A long stretch of mountains forms a mountain range. Mountain has forests with wild animals and plants live. A mountain also have a part. We have the top or the highest point is what we call peak. The side of the mountain is the slope. And the base of the mountain is called the foot. The famous Mount Apo is the highest mountain in the Philippines, and the Mount Everest is the world's highest mountain. Let's proceed to the next landform. We have hills. A hill is a landform that is lower than the mountain. Hills are mostly covered with grasses and small trees. The Chocolate Hills in Bohol are the famous hills in the Philippines. Next one, volcano. Volcano is a mountain that has an opening at its surface. Some volcanoes are cone-shaped, some are active. When we say active, they can erupt anytime. An active volcano sometimes emits smoke, steam, and ash. When it erupts, lava or lahar flows from its opening. The Mount Mayon in Albay is one of the famous volcano in the Philippines because of its perfect cone or the shape. Next, we have Plateau. Plateau is a flat land on the top of a mountain or a hill. It is also called a tableland. Baguio City and Tagaytay City are located on plateaus. They are famous tourist spots in the country. These cities have cool weather. Next one, we have a plain or plain. Plain is a large flat area of land. Many people live in plains. Rice fields and vegetable crops are mostly grown on plains. Example of plain is the plain in central Luzon. Next, we have valley. Valley is a long stretch of lowland. It lies between two mountains or hills. The biggest valley in the Philippines is Cagayan Valley in Luzon. Next, we have the island. Island is a land area completely surrounded by water. A group of island is called archipelago. The famous island in the Philippines, we have the 100 Islands in Pangasinan. And the last one, we have desert. Desert is a hot and dry land. Sand and rocks are covered the soil. It seldom rains in the desert. This is why very few plants grow in it. The example of desert is the Sahara Desert in Africa. This is the largest desert in the world. Now, are you ready for our board activity? Let's try. We're going to write the letter of the correct answer. A hot and dry land covered with sand and rocks. What is this? A. Desert, B. Plain, or C. Mountain? The correct answer is letter A. Desert. Number 2. It lies between two mountains or hills. A. Volcano, B. Valley, or C. Plateau? The correct answer is letter B. Valley. Number 3. A large flat area of land. A. Plain, B. Island, or C. Desert? The correct answer is letter A, plain. Number 4, a mountain that has opening on its surface. A valley, B hill, or C volcano. The correct answer is letter C, volcano. Number 5, a landform that is lower than the mountain. A plateau, B hill, or C desert. The correct answer is B hill. Number 6, the highest landform. A volcano, B island, or C mountain. The correct answer is letter C, mountain. Number 7, a flat land and top of mountain or a hill. A plateau, B valley, or C desert. The correct answer is letter A, plateau. Number 8, a large area surrounded by water. A plain, B island, or C hill. The correct answer is B island. Again, these are the types of land or landforms: mountains, hills, valleys, desert, plains, plateaus, and other landforms. That's all for today. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See ya!